3 products, 3 weeks. As you can see, the mark is pretty much gone. Just a little bit darkness is there. And my skin is different already. Everybody over here knows, if you're new to the channel, you'll know now how long and hard my battle with melasma has been. The thing with melasma is that it'll come, it'll go, it'll get intense, it'll get better, but it never really leaves you. It just stays with you. So I have used a bunch of things for getting rid of melasma. I got about 90% there, but there's always this patch that gets darker, lighter, darker, lighter, darker, lighter, darker, lighter, darker, lighter, till I came down to using the new formulated serums from the Minimalist, and I think I have a breakthrough. Here is my skin up front and close to you. As you can see over here, I don't use makeup. Fading the hair. Tissue लेकर आओ. Give me a minute. There is no makeup. Of course, there's light. I've got the light very good so you can see a nice glow, but the fact is that the melasma is faded. I use these two beautifully formulated serums from the Minimalist. Let me share why these work so beautifully, and they could actually be a new skincare routine in a fight with pigmentation, acne scars, uneven skin tone, but most importantly, hyperpigmentation and melasma. The first serum that I'm talking about is the niacinamide. At 10% niacinamide, it's a powerful packed serum. Along with niacinamide, it has something called EUK 134, which is a fabulous antioxidant. Antioxidants are incredibly important because they help your skin fight pollution. Now, the thing is, because you can't see it, हमको लगता है क्या ज़रूरत है यार, ठीक है, छोटी सी चीज़ है. But antioxidant in your skincare is like the cooking medium you use to make your khana. If your oil is good, your ghee is good, you're using the right medium, you'll get better nourishment, you'll get better nutrition from your food, and that is what EUK does. It gives you this massive amount of antioxidants which actually help your skin heal better, because your skin is now able to fight the UV damage well, it's able to fight the pollutants well, it's able to be nicely hydrated. The more hydrated our cell is, the better it's able to fight and heal. I'm so excited. It also has zinc. Zinc, along with the fact that it's going to make your skin healthier. In fact, if you have a lot of acne, it's so important to include zinc as an oral supplement in your skincare because it actually helps get your acne down. The zinc will not only fight acne, but it will also control your sebum along with niacinamide. And it has hyaluronic acid, which we all love. So in this particular serum, you are getting the power of niacinamide as a fader, a hydrator, as well as a controller of your sebum. Power packed at 10%. You're getting EUK for antioxidant support, which is so critical for a healthy skin. You're getting zinc to further control your sebum and also to keep your skin healthy, and you're getting hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin even more. And zinc, along with controlling sebum, also actually controls inflammation on your skin. So if you have a lot of redness, it's going to help you with that. With all these ingredients, if you're a part of this channel, you already know that the 10% niacinamide from the Minimalist is going to be absolutely brilliant for acne scars, fighting blemishes, pigmentation, and to keep your oily, acne-prone skin healthy. And guess what? The best part? It's anti-aging. The EUK in it makes sure that this product will also give you massive anti-aging benefit. So brilliant niacinamide serum to introduce into your skincare, even if you don't have acne scars or hyperpigmentation or melasma. But you're 40 to 50. At that age comes in dullness of skin, uneven skin tone. This, my friend, is the serum that's going to help you with your anti-aging needs. Absolutely in love with the serum. The next product that you require in your fight against acne scars, hyperpigmentation, melasma, and just to have a healthier skin which is bright and glowy and dewy is the alpha-arbutin. Now, the Minimalist and I have had a little bit of skirmishes every now and then, and in fact I did a video about how the alpha-arbutin from the Ordinary was actually better than the alpha-arbutin from the Minimalist because I thought it gave me better brightness. This alpha-arbutin at 2% from the Minimalist is even better than the Ordinary. It gives you such a switch of dewiness, glow, brightness to your skin that you're going to go completely fall in love with this alpha-arbutin. In the reformulation of the alpha-arbutin, Minimalist has created a product that's going to beat practically all other alpha-arbutin serums in the market because they have reformulated this with two fabulous ingredients. It's got butyl resacinol, which is a fabulous fader. Butyl resacinol, by the way, is actually 20% stronger than kojic acid in giving you fading. But it does not have the toxicity that kojic acid can do in your skin. What kojic acid can do is it can actually cause your cells to malfunction and cause reverse pigmentation that can be very hard to cure. I think it's practically incurable, just like hydroquinone does. But butyl resacinol is beautiful fading with complete safety. And along with that, it also has ferulic acid, which is not only going to make the other ingredients perform better, but it's also an antioxidant and it protects and reverses the damage caused by UV radiation. So you're getting not only curative care in terms of, addressing the current concerns you have in your skin, actually lightening the hyperpigmentation, acne scars, improving the tone and brightness on your skin, but it also is preventive. If you've been part of Program Chamak, you'll know that I always tell you pick products that will help you solve today's problem that your skin has, but also help you to make your skin healthier for the future. The 2% alpha-arbutin from Minimalist does all of that. It also will help you in lightening and getting rid of your tan, which is so incredibly important in the summer months that we're coming through. You can use any sunscreen, but if you're in the sun direct for too much time, you will get a little bit of tanning. Alpha-arbutin 2% from Minimalist is there for you. You can also use the serum on your hands, on your exposed areas to kind of make sure that you get over the tan. I do it all the time. So did I claim some time back that it's going to be like the best alpha-arbutin in the market? I'm saying that not only because I've used it, but I've also read the clinical studies that Minimalist shared with me. Minimalist went ahead and tested this particular alpha-arbutin in a controlled test environment where they tested it on something called skin identical model. So basically they use a product that behaves just like human skin, but it's not human skin, obviously. So they put it into petri dishes and they put the alpha-arbutin on it and see how much the fading is over a period of time. The 2% alpha-arbutin from the Minimalist actually came up tops from the best that's available, which means it came over the benchmark. Which also means the 2% alpha-arbutin from Minimalist might actually beat the new benchmark for alpha-arbutins in the skincare industry. How proud should we be this brand is there in India. The last product that I use from the Minimalist is the moisturizer with bisabolol. It is a ceramide moisturizer. It has got 0.3% ceramides and it has bisabolol, which is absolutely brilliant for dry skin, which I have. The Ceramide 03 with bisabolol moisturizer from the Minimalist has a 3:1:1 ratio of ceramides, cholesterol and fatty acids. What does that mean? It really means that it's going to keep your skin barrier strong and healthy even if you're using actives. Now some actives can take a little time for our skin to adjust, but when you have your back covered or your skin covered under the care of a ceramide moisturizer, you can be rest assured that your barrier will remain intact. It in fact is going to help your skin heal faster and better. NP, NS, AP, AS and EOP, all the ceramides trapped in this beautiful moisturizer to make sure that your skin barrier remains healthy and intact. So dry skin requires a lot of soothing and calming because it tends to get irritated very fast. That's what you have bisabolol for. Dry skin also requires a lot of hydration. That's why you have aquaporin boosting ingredients like betaine and isomerate, which actually provide you intense hydration to your skin. तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है? अगर आपको ड्राई स्किन है, you have the 0.3 ceramide moisturizer from Minimalist and you're covered. The reason I'm so happy with this moisturizer is, and I've actually done a video about it earlier as well, is because a lot of people who have dry skin tend to have a little difficulty in using actives. Their skin tends to feel a little more sensitive, feel a little inflamed, and even sometimes get more sensitive to heat. And that is where the moisturizer from Minimalist comes in and makes sure you are covered. So with 3 product skincare routine to get rid of your melasma, hyperpigmentation and acne scars and to bring back the life health into your skin, the 10% niacinamide from Minimalist, the 2% alpha butane from the Minimalist, and the ceramide 0.3 ceramide moisturizer from the Minimalist. If you have oily skin, go in for the Macadamia or this one. God, I suck at these ingredient names. Or you could use the bisabolol if you have dry skin like me. I really like this new thing that Minimalist has come up with, which is called Hide Nothing. I love the fact that they actually believe in hiding nothing. They actually had an online meeting with some of us and some writers and bloggers where they shared every ingredient that goes into the product and the fact that they have a lot of understanding of the ingredients. I was very blown by how on top of all the ingredients the founders and the team were. I तो told them, आप क्यों नहीं वीडियो बनाते यार? And they said, आप किस लिए हो? Well, I really hope you enjoyed me bringing this beautiful skin routine to get rid of your hyperpigmentation, melasma and acne scars. For more discussion on this, I'm going to meet you in the comment section.